Hello. From the description of the video, you can download the firmware files of the Vivo smartphone phone. Firmware is the main file of smartphone operating system, also known as flash files or stock ROM. The files we are providing you are official file. You can upgrade or downgrade the software of your phone with the help of these files. And if your phone is dead, so by installing these files on your phone you can repair the dead software of your mobile phone. With the help of this firmware you can get rid of problems like IMEI problem or unknown baseband of your smartphone. This video contains the files of Qualcomm Vivo smartphone. By the way, we will flash this phone with the help of Qualcomm flash tools. Before flashing, make sure that the files you are installing on your phone are these files compatible with your phone model. If the files don't match your phone model, your phone might be dead. All your data will be deleted after flashing. We will not take responsibility for any kind of fault during flashing. This is an official stock firmware provided by the company that introduced the Vivo smartphone. And these files will be told in the title of the video. They are the files of the model.